Hi, so one of the things we need you to do on this project is include links to all of your sources so we know where you got your information. So this is a really beautiful slide that Mrs. Pearson made. And if you notice, she put a source, she put the word source at the bottom, and she inserted a link. Do you see how the link pops up? That means if I followed that link, I can go right to her source, which is really important for us to be able to see where you got it. So let me teach you really quickly how to do this. Let's suppose I want to put a link to this picture here. I highlight the picture. Just click on it. Then go up to Insert, click that, go to Link, and a link box pops up. And of course I forgot to get a link, so let me go grab one. I'm going to go to another tab, and I highlighted that tab. I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to go back to my other work, and I'm going to copy paste that link in here. And there it is. Hit apply, and it should be in there. So now if somebody was checking on your slide, they can click this and take it right to the link. And there's the link I wanted you to go to. I hope that makes sense. If you need to watch this a couple times, feel free.